Hello everyone, myself Mrs. Shatabdi Dhar, Senior Faculty of SVIST. Today I am going to discuss with you about some programming in C on formatted output. Now in formatted output we are going to do some programming. The first question is write a C program for displaying hexadecimal, decimal, octal number format of the entered numbers. Question number B is write a C program for displaying entered number with right and left justification. The next question is write a C program for displaying with different formatting specifiers. And the last question is write a C program to get ASCII value of any character. Now we are going to solve the first question, that is write a C program for displaying hexadecimal, decimal and octal format of the entered number. So our first program is write a C program for printing value in decimal, octal, hexadecimal using printf function. Now here is our program. First we have to write hash include stdio.h. It's a header file, that is standard input output header file. Next comes the main function, that is int main. Now in these braces here an integer value or integer variable named value is declared, through which giving instruction of give the integer number we are going to intake, that is taking input through this integer variable named value. As it's an integer number, we are going to use here %d. Now one by one we will see that how the number is converted into decimal, octal, hexadecimal and hexadecimal capital form. Okay. So first we have to print that printf decimal value is %d, because we are going to have decimal number. So %d and of which that is a variable named value. Next the octal value, for which we are going to use %o, and next the hexadecimal value in small alphabets we are going to use %x, and the next is printf hexadecimal value is alphabet in capital letters, and here we are going to use %X, and the last is return 0. After that we have to compile and run it. Compile and run. Here we can see that no error, no 0. So the result is here. The instruction was give the integer number, and here it is. I am giving a number, that is 5067, and the output is here. The decimal value is 5067. The octal value of that number is 11713. The hexadecimal value in small letters is here, that is 13CB, and the hexadecimal value in capital letters is 13CB, that is capital letter 13, capital C, capital B. and it's the output. So when you are going to write in your lab copy, you have to first write the question like this, then the code, and after that you have to write the output like this. Okay. Now we are going to solve this question in C programming, that write a C program for displaying entered number with right and left justification. Our next program is write a program in C to display entered number with right and left justification. So first we have to write hash include stdio.h, that is standard input output header file, and next the main function. After that, in the braces, second braces, we have to declare any integer variable, that is I have declared here integer x. Then we have to give some instruction like give the integer number and taking input through that ampersand x. After that, as per our question, we have to printf, we have to get output in not justified form, right justified form, and left justified form. So for any not any justified form, we have to print here only %d for the value x, and for right justified for right justified output, we have to print here %10d for 10 point right, and for left justified we have used here minus 10d, that is percentile minus 10d, and program ends here with return 0. Now I'm going to compile and run it. After compiling, it's here. So I'm giving an integer number like 209, and here's the output. This is not in any justified form, and giving %10d, it gives like this. This is in right justified form, and in left justified form we have got that minus 10d give us that. Okay. So to write in your lab copy, first you have to write your question, then the code and the output at last. Okay. Now we are going to solve the question number 3, that is write a C program for displaying with different formatting specifiers. And the third program given here is write a C program for displaying with different formatting specifiers. Write a C program for display different formatting specifiers. First we have to write the stdio.h, that is standard input output header file, and then main function. Now I have declared here two integer variables like x and initialized with the value 45 and 68. A character variable, that is ch, and initialized it with the value g. A character string or string and initialize that value with computer study corner, and again an integer variable named num, and the initialized value is 1387. The float variable is taken here, that is num1, and the value initialized here is 1.24578. Now, for using the formatting specifiers, first I have used that %d, which is used for printing any integer number. So I have taken already an integer number x and going to print with %d. After that, which was taken as z equal to 68, the z is printing here with %i. Next, the character variable is printing here with %c, and the octal form of that integer number taken is printed here using %o. The float variable is printed here using the %s, and the precision of up to 2 decimal value is printed here using %a with 0.2. The exponential value of the entered float number is printed here or getting output with %e, and the hexadecimal value of the integer variable of num is %x, and for string we are going to use %s. So the different formatting specifiers used here are integer. For integer we are going to use %d, %i, for character %c, for octal value %o, for float value %f, for precision with 2 decimal values of float value we are going to use 0.2f, the exponential value %e, and for hexadecimal we are going to use %x, and for string %s. At last the return 0, and now compile and run. Now here is no error and no warning. So here's the output. The integer value was 45. Again the integer value is 68. That is for z, and that was for x. And the character taken was g, and here is also g. The octal value of this number, that is 1387, is here. The octal value is 2553, and the float number is showing here like this, 1.245780, and the precision up to 2 decimal value is giving here 1.25, and the exponential form is 1.245780e plus 000, and the hexadecimal value of this number, that is 1387, is 56b, and the string is given here, which was taken as computer study corner, and the whole output is in front of you. So when you are going to write in your lab copy, you have to first write this question, and after that you have to write the total code, C code. This is the code, and after that you have to write this output. Okay. Now the last question we are going to solve is write a C program to get ASCII value of any character. program, that is write a program in C to get ASCII value of any character. So first we have to write hash include stdio.h, that is standard input output header file, then the main function, and in second braces we are going to declare a character variable, that is I have declared here ch, character variable ch. Now the instruction I am going to write that printf enter the character, and the scanf function for taking input in the variable ch, as it is a character, so I am going to take %c, and for the ASCII value which I am going to print, the printf ASCII of the taken variable is %d, which will be converted into ASCII value. And the last one is return 0, and the program ends here. Now I'm going to compile and run it, and here's the value. So I'm giving a number, that is 19. As you can see that I have given an integer, and I'm going to take the value of any character. So we have to give character variable, character value. So I'm giving here C, and the ASCII value of C is 99. Again you can see the ASCII value of capital A is 65. Okay. So when you are going to write the program in your lab copy, you have to first write the question, then the code, and after that the output value. Okay. Thank you for watching my video.